Meaning of highlighter pen.
Highlighter pen.
Highlighter pen.
Highlighter pen.
Highlighter pen. A highlighter pen is a type of writing tool used to emphasize important text in a document. It typically contains bright, fluorescent ink in colors such as yellow, pink, green, or blue. These colors contrast with black or dark-colored text and make it easier to quickly identify key points or sections. Highlighters are commonly used by students, researchers, and professionals to mark important information in textbooks, journal articles, and reports. Their popularity has also led to the development of digital highlighters, which can scan and store highlighted text for future reference.